What you are just seeing is the negative ion count from the negative ion counter, and this high negative ions, which is 4.4 plus, it may vary because the cubic centimeter, 1 cubic centimeter it is counting. So you need to know that these high content of negative ion is due to the presence of sunlight. So rest of the things I will discuss or show later, but it is consistently 4 plus. Also I am in forest, so there are a few factors which determine the negative ion count, and I will share with you those factors. First of all, this place is filled with green forest, green cover. This means the oxygen that is supplied by these trees is abundance in nature. There is no construction around, there is no human habitation around, and all the trees are releasing oxygen right now, and they are intaking carbon dioxide. So when you come in such place, you need to know that your carbon dioxide from your system is absorbed by these trees, and what you get in return is a simple science. It's oxygen. This must you have read in your nursery class in basic science, that trees gives us oxygen and they take carbon dioxide during the day. Now it is a daytime, the sun is shining in its full glory. It's a clear sky, almost a clear sky today. The clouds are there, but the content of negative ions in the environment is too much, and that is why I am able to breathe well, because of the vasodilation that happens due to sunlight. Also it is a windy day. So there are many positive factors for the negative ions abundance in today's environment with today's air quality. Now this wind has also led to the reduction in humidity level. The humidity has reduced considerably, which was too much higher in the previous few days. So this is one of the aspects I am sharing with you, that if you are going through Kundalini awakening, why you should be in nature most of the time. Because this negative ions, they reduce inflammation in your body. Your blood is not containing the high quality of red blood cells, oxygenated blood that reaches your cells. Your cells are deprived of the oxygenated blood, good quality of oxygenated blood, and the positive ions, the free radicals in your blood keeps on moving without getting exchanged with the carbon dioxide trapped in your body. When you are trekking in nature, when you are walking in nature, especially in an abundance place like this, which is all the forces of nature, there is open space here, then the sunlight is there, the green trees is there, this rocky surface is there where I will walk and show you. Just a few steps I will show you, so that you understand that you have to become extremely instinctive to process Kundalini. Kundalini is primordial energy, and it will not keep you stuck in the house, in the hotel room, or any place where you are feeling that you should stay more to avoid the people. If you want to avoid the people, the matrix, you should avoid it, but you should not get lonely and trapped in a room. You should get out, find such places, discover such places. This is one of the high negative zones in the Himalayan region. It is a place called Mithlang, near to the most celebrated Annapurna range. I will soon show you the range if it is visible, but right now I am getting the abundance of everything, and this negative ion counts is most important for you to know, and that is why I am researching on which places on earth this abundance of negative ions is in abundance and where you can to move. This sunlight is directly enriching me, and all these activities you do in nature. More about it I will be connected soon. Till then, enjoy and breathe fresh.